Hello guys, so today it's another vlog, and today's vlog guys, we have the Zhiyun Fiveray V60. Yeah, this is the Fiveray V60 LED light, one combo. It's a tube light guys. So, yan. How you pronounce this one pare in your Zion? For you, how you pronounce this? Zion or Zion? Zion, okay. Zion, as of our videographer, Mr. Kim Chu. Huh? So, let's unbox and check the quality of this new Zhiyun Fiveray V60 tube light. So, without further ado, let's unbox. And yeah, again, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video, and tutorial. So, let's start now, guys. Okay. So, this is the box. Yan. So, when you open the box, guys, you have already the bag. It's a soft bag. Yan. Okay. So, this is the soft bag with the handle. It's a nice bag from Zhiyun. See? Then, when you open the bag, charan, you have the lights. Of course, you have the cable for charging. Yeah. Okay. Here you have also the strap from the bag. USB-C for charging by USB-C. Yeah. So again, we have the USB-C to USB for charging or maybe update firmware. Okay. You have, of course, the manual. You have manual. A small pouch. Why you need a pouch? For what? You have a pouch. I don't know. I understand. Why? This is for the battery, right? Oh, next for the battery, so you can hang from your light stand. So, yeah, this is for the power battery. And you have also here, it's like a pouch, something. Diffuser. Wow, you have a diffuser also. Diffuser and silica gels. So, yeah, and of course, the light. This is the light, guys. See the design of the light? And you have a bandurs. This is the bandurs, and voila. So this is the new Zhiyun Fiveray V60. Ayan, LED light. So you can try to open. You have two buttons here. Ayan. And the other side, you have menu and yeah, you have max or something. And so you have fan at the back. And this is the light itself. So let's try to open. Single press, single press and long press. Yeah. Single press and long press. So this is the light, guys. See? See? Tinatak. See? Okay. Nangatak. So let's try to use this, guys. And guys, so this is the light. We put the diffuser. Of course, we charge with the battery. Not battery. With the rec. So yeah, while charging, you can use. And again, this is the quality of the light of the Zhiyun Fiveray. So just focus, Okay, no need for this one. Okay. So guys, this is the quality of the new Fiveray V60. So this is the one, guys. So this is the lights. We put already diffuser. And let's see how many percent. It's 100% Kelvin. 100%. And we'll change the Kelvin from daylight. So we do 5,600 Kelvin. Yeah, this is 5,600 Kelvin. And check the light, guys. So this is the quality of the new Zhiyun V60. This is daylight. And we can change for tungsten. And again, guys, it's very nice light, tube light, and affordable light. So, and if you are thinking to buy a tube light that you can use for your video, for content creator. So, for all the content creators, videographers, bloggers, or whatever, this is a good light, guys, on your bag, on your collection. So, yeah, you have already fan here. become very hot. Yan. So, max. What is the max? You can add the max. Okay. So, ayan guys. This is the quality again of the Fiveray V60. Okay, let's turn to tungsten. So, ayan guys. Ayan. So, if you want to check the price and availability again of the new Zhiyun V60, you can visit our website www.aabworld.com. Again, this is a quick test, quick review, and unboxing. So again, on the next vlog, we will try to make a more video. Or if you have any question, you can comment down below, and yeah, we'll try to answer any question regarding the product, which is the Zhiyun V60. So yan. Again guys, if you want to check the price, all the product from Zhiyun, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. On the Zhiyun product, it's already there. So we have all the Zhiyun lights, and yeah, just check that to our website. So yan, hanggang dito na lang guys. Again, thank you for our videographer for today, Mr. Your name again? Pinso. Woo! Mr. Pinso, our new guy here in Navy World. So, again, thank you and mabuhay.